Hello, my friend. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and trust me, understanding your analytics is the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel. And for that, just open your YouTube Studio app on your phone. Now, you will see an option called Analytics. Just tap on that. And here you can see the watch time, the views, and the subscriber and the top performing videos all here. Like content here, you will see the what content just gave you the most viewers, what audience really like to watch and how much they watch, and everything. Switch tabs to see audience, demographic, traffic sources, and all, and even add revenue if it is monetized. Knowing this number help you to make smarter content decision, like which video to post, more of what topic your viewers are enjoying. Check analytics regularly, even if for a few minutes a day, and your channel will grow faster than you think. If this helped, hit the likes and subscribe button for more inside YouTube tips. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.